An aspirin tablet contains 325 milligrams of acetylsalicylic acid. How many acetylsalicylic acid molecules does it contain? All right, so let's start with what we're given. G4 given. Okay, we're given 325 milligrams of acetylsalicylic acid. Acetylsalicylic acid, gosh, that's a mouthful, is C9H8O4. All right, cool. And it's saying, or what we have to find, F for find, the number of molecules in acetylsalicylic acid. Okay, so we're going to start from the beginning, which is where everyone will start. Okay, 325 milligrams. Okay. Don't forget to write what you have. That's just a good habit because you won't always be working with the same, I guess, compounds and whatnot. The beginning. I like to then go to the end. So you know where you're starting, where you're going. So the end is going to be, I gotta write small, molecules of C9H8O4. Okay, that's where we're going. How are we going to get there? Well, I'll help you out. Here we go. When we're cross multiplying, the units have to equal up. So we know that milligrams is going to be on the bottom. And when you're going up, down, like we're about to do, these have to be equal numerical values. So grams. Same units, same numerical values, okay? 1 milligram is equal to 10 to the negative 3 grams. And the end is acetylsalicylic acid. Just for the sake of space, I'm not going to write it, but just know that on a test or homework or whatever, you just make sure you write grams, C9H8O4, and same on the bottom. All right. Times, all right, grams. So we know grams have to be on the bottom right here. And what can grams be equivalent to? Grams can be equivalent to moles. Okay? Remember, grams, actually for this one I'm going to write acetylsalicylic acid because this one is important so you don't lose track of what you need to find. Okay. There we go. And this is all stuff that we know. We know, or we can find, we don't know right this minute, how many grams are in acetylsalicylic acid, okay? We're going to go down here. C9H8O4. Okay. So we know we have 9 carbons. That's a dot, there we go, plus 8 hydrogens, 0.01, plus 4 oxygens. Now remember, if you're kind of confused, you're like, what the heck's going on? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, you can get these values, these molecular masses, from the periodic table of elements. It's normally in the front of a chemistry textbook, or you can Google it and the chart will come up. Okay, moving on. So, multiply, with the front. You guys know how to do PEMDAS and all that. So when you do the math, you're going to get, let's see, I should have done this ahead of time, 180.15 grams per mole. There we go. So then we can come back up here. So we know that this value is going to be 180.15 grams, and even says right here grams per mole. Grams per 1 mole. Sweet. Okay, moving on. Ooh, we are really running out of room. Okay. So we know that mole has to be on the bottom here. And molecule can actually be on top. We can go in moles to molecules. So, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. 1 mole is equal to Avogadro's number, which is 6.22 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, right? Is it 23rd? Yeah. Molecules. Okay. Now, I ran out of room right here, but if you're confused on how to put this into your calculator, this is how you can do it. You can do 3.25 times 10 to the negative 3 times 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd divided by 180.15. And that'll give you the answer. You don't have to put ones in there because obviously 1 times anything is just itself, so just you can leave out the ones. But yeah, multiply everything on the top and then divide by everything on the bottom. Don't forget to use parentheses or else it's going to mess up your calculator. Okay, so I'm going to write the answer right here because we have room down here. Okay, so once you plug everything into your calculator, you're going to get 1.09 times 10 to the 21. There we go. Acetylsalicylic acid molecules. All right, perfect. And that's how you get that. If you have more problems you'd like to see me do, or if this made no sense whatsoever, please leave a comment below and I will read those and make some more videos.